Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Happy Hand and Tails, where we will make English grammar super simple and easy to learn. And this is day 4 of our 12-day tense series, where we will learn all the 12 tenses just using a whiteboard and the real life examples. So let's start with today's tense. Today we are talking about the tense that is present perfect continuous tense. So let's break it down. The structure of this tense is the subject plus has have plus been plus verb plus ing and plus object. It might be looking so overwhelming, right? But it's not. So let's break it down to explain you. As we all know, the subject is most oftenly at the start of our sentence and the object at the last. Just because it's the perfect tense, perfect, we will use has have. And just because it's the continuous, we will use ing with the verb. Okay? The only thing that you have to keep in mind is we will add been just before the verb plus ing. Let's talk about the uses of this tense. This tense is used when we are talking about an action that was started in the past and is still continue. It is not yet finished. Like it is started in the past and it is still in continue. Okay? And most oftenly it is used with since and for. For example, I have been studying since morning. The subject, helping verb, been, verb plus ing and the object. The other one, she has been cooking for an hour. Let's try something else. They have been working hard lately. Subject, helping verb, been is added with the verb plus ing and the object. The tip for today is been is always included before the verb. And we all know the ing is always added with the verb. So it's pretty much sure verb plus ing will be together and been will be added before the verb. As we can see everywhere, been is always with the verb and same is in the structure as well. Simple. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such grammatical videos. So let's make English more professional and easy for everybody here. Thanks for watching.